Reading this next problem, we see that we have three angles in a triangle, and you always need to understand that all three angles in a triangle will add up to 180 degrees. So that might be a little bit of a trick coming up with that equation if you're not paying attention to it. Now it says the largest angle. For convention, I'm going to let z be the largest and x be the smallest. So the largest angle, z, is 4 less than 5 times the measure of the smallest. So that would be 5x minus 4. Then the measure of the middle angle, that's y, is twice that of the smallest angle. Y equals 2x. So now that I have x or y and z eliminated, I'm going to substitute those up into the original equation. This will give me x plus y, which is 2x, plus z, which is 5x minus 4, is equal to 180. Combining like terms, we will find that 8x minus 4 is equal to 180. Adding 4 to both sides, we get 8x is equal to 184. And dividing each side by 8, we get x is equal to 23 degrees. There's part of our solution set, and we will use the two equations I've circled above to identify y and z. Y is going to be twice x, so 2 times 23 is 46, and we will have 46 degrees. And z will be 5 times this 23, that's 115, minus 4, which is 111 degrees. And if you add those three angles together, you will notice that they do add up to 180 degrees. In this final problem, we find the perimeter of a triangle is 5 feet. Well, that means the lengths of the three sides will add up to 5 feet, and I will treat that as a 60 inches because I see the rest of my measurements are in inches. Again, I'll say A is the shortest and C is the longest. So the longest side is 20 more than the shortest. C is A plus 20. The middle side, B, is 3 times the shortest, so we have 3A. And again, I've got two equations that are just ready for me to substitute into that first equation. So A plus B, which is 3A, plus C, which is A plus 20, and if it helps you to see those parentheses, you can, is equal to 60. Combining like terms, we have 5a plus 20 is equal to 60. Subtracting 20 on each side, we get 5a is equal to 40, and therefore a is equal to 8 inches. Well, b will be triple that, so b will equal 24 inches, and c will be 20 more than a, and so that will be 28 inches. C equals 28 inches, and you can check that yes, all three of these add up to 60 inches, which is equal to 5 feet, and they meet the conditions that were specified within the problem.